At the City of Stirling, we provide a range of on-demand waste collection services as part of your waste services rates to help you set your junk free of charge at a time that's convenient for you. Our free on-demand waste services include 1 skip bin delivery and collection, 1 electronic waste collection, 1 mattress collection, and 1 white goods collection. Your household can book each of our free on-demand waste collection services once a year, from the 1st of July until the 30th of June. The skip bin waste that's collected by the City of Stirling is taken to the recycling centre Balcatta, where it's mixed with dry commercial waste material. The waste is then transported to the Materials Recovery Facility in Bibra Lake for further sorting and processing. Recyclable material is recovered, like steel, timber, plastic and cardboard. Last financial year, the City of Stirling delivered 19,363 skip bins and collected 4,724 tonnes of waste. From that huge amount of waste, 35% was recovered and diverted from landfill. When your skip bin is delivered, please don't overfill it, because overflowing bins will not be collected. Your skip bin will be collected 2 business days after delivery. For more information or to book your free skip bin delivery and collection, visit the Waste and Recycling page on our website and follow the links. We hope you enjoy the convenience of setting your junk free of charge with our on-demand waste collections.